We're setting up our AI kit by Halo with YOLOv11n, Pi Camera 2, and Label Studio. We start with the Raspberry Pi and grab our images. All of the commands can be found on Github in the description below. First install OpenCV, Pillow, and Pi Camera 2. Next run this script to get your images. You should do about 100 images. Every time you hit the K key, it will create an image. Once you're done with your images, it will automatically stop. You can also hit the Q key to quit. Now to Windows Subsystem for Linux or Ubuntu. Open up PowerShell and hit this command to install. Next, you can check what distributions are already installed. And with this command, you can check which distributions you can download. With this, I'm going to install Ubuntu 24.04. This command will open up Ubuntu 24.04. For labeling, we're going to use Label Studio. It's open source and you can install it on your machine with pip. Now in your browser, go to localhost 8080. Go ahead and create an account. This runs locally on your machine. Once done, log in and create a project. I created a project called test and now I'm going to import my images. These are the same images I created from my Raspberry Pi. Now you can do all types of setups, but for this project I'm going to use bounding boxes. And here I create 3 classes. And I change the color for convenience. And hit save. If you hit label all tasks, you're going to start from the beginning and go one by one. Here I just select the first one. Then you can begin labeling. You can also use hotkeys to speed up your process. If I hit 1 on my keyboard, it's going to select the green cube. If I hit 2, it's going to select the red circle. And if I hit 3, it's going to select the book. Control Enter will submit. Do this for all your images. Once you're done, begin the export. Select YOLO. Now to do the training. Here I set up Ultralytics in a virtual environment. And it begins the installation. Make sure your images are in the Hailo8l folder, and then datasets, images, train, and then also for the labels into datasets, labels, train. And with this command, we begin training. This will take a large amount of time. Next, we export YOLOv11n to Onyx format. When that's done, we move to the AI Halo kit. Here I update my repository and install the updated Python version supported by Halo. And now we create the virtual environment. On Halo's Developer Zone website, go to Software Downloads and download these 2 files. Put them into Hailo8l WHL. Then do pip install. Also git clone the Halo model zoo. Now run this command for parsing. This will generate a HAR file. Now we optimize. Check these files to make sure you have the right number of classes and labels. Now you get an optimized R file. Now to compile into a hef file. Again, this will take some time. Move the file to the Raspberry Pi and also the labels.json file. Make sure to update, do a full upgrade, and install the Hailo8l. Then reboot your system. Here I git clone the Raspberry Pi examples onto my Pi. Then do install.sh. Go into the Raspberry Pi examples and do source setup env. This will start the virtual environment for Hailo. Now type this command to start YOLOv11n and test out your object detection. As a bonus, we're going to try to do this using PyCamera 2. Make sure to uninstall OpenCV and install OpenCV headless. And finally, type this command to start PyCamera 2 with object detection on YOLOv11n. Like and subscribe if this helped you out. Thank you.